Howdy. You alright?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Or you
wash my clothes.
Just break a pipe or something? Hey, stop. Stop. Just stop, okay?
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing? Pleading.
Yeah, it's got to us. Let's just take him to the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground, alright? I didn't do anything. Okay, you need to get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stop. Relax your arm. Stop fighting us. Relax your arm and stop fighting us. Relax your arm. Stop fighting us.
He's out? Is he out?
No, he's not out. Stop fighting us! You got him on the carotid? Stop fighting us! Adam, he is great in
Pleading? Stop! Stop fighting! Get on your stomach! Stop here, please. Okay, let go of your arm.
If you roll over and we'll get on top of him.
I can't breathe.
Yep.
I can't breathe. What can you do? Face the ground. Why? For what? Help me. You're under arrest. Stop, please. Stop.
Now you can get there.
Stop. Please.
Stop fighting us.
No. Stop. How do you shit, you hungry?
You need to stop
Stop it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop it, you know. I need to shut up. I didn't stop so fucked up. Stop, please.
Behind your back.
Stop. Please. Oh, please. Stop it. You're on your stomach. Ouch!
You're on your stomach.
Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! Stop it!
On the ground.
Get on the ground.
Stop it.
Ow! Ow! Stop it!
Stop it. Stop. Get on the ground. No. Help me. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Stop, please. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground. Oh, stop, please. Stop, please. Get on the ground.
We're near the 7-Eleven. Northeast corner.
Stop it.
Stop it! Help me! Help! 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 Get on your stomach! You got cops! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Stop it! Help! No. Where is the shit?
Stop resisting. Hold that choke.
Hold that choke. Get a good put that inside that bicep. Stop resisting. Hold it. Stop resisting. Hold it. Just put him out. Put him out. Stop resisting. Hold it. Push it in tight. You got it good? Hold it. Hold it, he's still fighting. Stop resisting! Get him on the stomach if you can. Try to roll the stomach. There you go. Okay. Hold it in there. Do handcuffs on him. Give me yours. So tell me if he goes out so that you can stop. Okay. So underneath, lift up your hips. Here. Grab that other calf. Got it? Okay, let me see. Is he out? Let him breathe. Keep that arm in there. Are you letting him breathe?
I don't have the whole thing.
Okay, let's get him to the side. Everybody off. Hold on.
We're gonna do the seat.
Okay, let's get him on his side.
He's gonna wake up.
Sam, she's going to answer if you want to see.
Get him on his side. Did you get him on his side or no? Have him come in.
Answer.
All right. He's purple right now, so I want to make sure he's breathing. Let's get him on his side. Good. Okay, let's start. Let's look at
You want to get a chest bag?
CPR. Get an ambu bag.
We got a pulse?
No, I don't know. Let's check ABCs. Let's go. Airway. See what he's doing.